Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mesh Wi-Fi network systems that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to eliminate dead zones, upgrade your internet speeds, or connect dozens of devices seamlessly, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro, which is the premium option in this lineup. With its cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E technology, this system promises blazing fast speeds and a maximum coverage of 6,600 square feet. Its tri-band setup includes the new 6 GHz band, designed specifically to reduce interference and provide a more stable, reliable connection, especially for next-gen devices. Not to mention, it can handle multiple devices, making it ideal for smart homes with heavy internet usage. In terms of design, the Nest Wi-Fi Pro features a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that blends seamlessly into any modern home. Its build quality is solid, and its compact design ensures it doesn't take up too much space. Performance-wise, it does an excellent job prioritizing bandwidth for tasks like video calls and streaming, and it even self-monitors for network issues, which it can resolve automatically. However, it's worth noting that it's not backward compatible with older Google Wi-Fi systems, which may be a drawback for those looking to expand an existing setup. While this system is perfect for those who want the latest technology and premium features, the $353 price tag makes it the most expensive option on this list. The pros include its advanced Wi-Fi 6E capabilities, sleek design, and smart self-monitoring features. The cons? Its high price and lack of compatibility with older generations. If you're a tech enthusiast or have a large home with heavy internet demands, this one's for you. At number 4, we have the TP-Link Deco XE75, a Wi-Fi 6E mesh system that provides up to 7,200 square feet of coverage. This is one of the best all-around options for most users, offering excellent speeds and range at a mid-tier price point. With its tri-band setup, including the new 6 GHz band, it delivers a total speed of up to 5,400 megabits per second and can support 200 devices, making it perfect for busy households or small offices. The Deco XE75 features a clean, cylindrical design that's both modern and unobtrusive. Its build quality is sturdy, and the setup process is incredibly user-friendly, thanks to the Deco app. Performance is outstanding, with AI-driven mesh technology ensuring seamless connectivity as you move through your home. Additionally, the system includes TP-Link's Home Shield, a premium security service that provides parental controls, network scans, and more. One standout feature is its ability to use the 6 GHz band for backhaul, ensuring stable communication between the nodes. While it doesn't have some of the advanced self-healing features of the Nest Wi-Fi Pro, it's an excellent performer at a more affordable price. The pros are its wide coverage, strong performance, and security features, while the cons include a slightly bulkier design compared to other systems. At $249.99, the Deco XE75 offers fantastic value for anyone seeking a powerful, future-proof mesh system. Next up, at number 3, is the TP-Link Deco X55, a Wi-Fi 6 mesh system that covers up to 6,500 square feet. This system strikes a great balance between affordability and performance, delivering AX3000 speeds across its dual-band network. It's capable of connecting up to 150 devices, making it an excellent choice for medium to large households with multiple users and smart devices. The Deco X55 has a compact, modern design that fits well in any space. Each unit comes with 3 gigabit Ethernet ports, offering flexibility for wired connections. Setting it up is a breeze with the Deco app, and its AI-driven mesh ensures that your devices stay connected to the strongest signal as you move around your home. The system also includes basic cybersecurity features through TP-Link Home Shield, such as parental controls and network scanning. Though more advanced features require a subscription, for $169.99, the Deco X55 offers incredible value. The pros include its strong performance, easy setup, and affordable price. However, it lacks the tri-band capabilities of higher-end systems, which may impact performance in very device-heavy environments. Overall, this is a fantastic option for families or individuals looking for a reliable and budget-friendly Wi-Fi 6 mesh system. At number 2, we have the Google Wi-Fi AC1200 mesh system, a user-friendly option for those looking to upgrade their home network without breaking the bank. This system can cover up to 4,500 square feet and features Google's intelligent mesh technology, which ensures reliable, fast Wi-Fi throughout your home. It's not as advanced as its Nest Wi-Fi Pro sibling, but it's a solid performer for basic everyday needs. Design-wise, the Google Wi-Fi AC1200 features compact, puck-shaped units that are discreet and modern. The setup process is incredibly simple, thanks to the Google Home app, which walks you through every step. It also includes useful features like parental controls, device prioritization, and the ability to set up a guest network. Performance is consistent, and while it doesn't support Wi-Fi 6, it's still a great option for streaming, browsing, and light gaming. At $148.99, this is a great mid-range choice for small to medium-sized homes. The pros are its simplicity, reliable performance, and affordable price. The cons? It lacks advanced features like tri-band connectivity and Wi-Fi 6 support. Overall, this system is perfect for users who want a straightforward, easy-to-use mesh system without any unnecessary bells and whistles. Finally, at number 1, we have the TP-Link Deco S4, the budget king of mesh Wi-Fi systems. At just $89.99, this system offers excellent value for money, providing up to 5,500 square feet of coverage. It uses dual-band AC1900 technology to deliver stable and fast internet for everyday tasks like streaming, browsing, and gaming. Plus, it supports up to 100 devices, making it a great option for small to medium-sized homes on a budget. The Deco S4 features a sleek, tower-style design that's unobtrusive. Each unit comes with 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, and the system supports wired Ethernet backhaul for improved performance. Setup is incredibly easy with the Deco app, and you can even use Alexa voice commands to manage your network. While it doesn't have the advanced features or speeds of higher-end systems, it's more than capable of handling standard internet usage without breaking the bank. The pros of the Deco S4 are its unbeatable price, simple setup, and reliable performance for basic tasks. The cons are its lack of Wi-Fi 6 support and limited speed compared to premium options. If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills solution to eliminate dead zones and improve your Wi-Fi coverage, the TP-Link Deco S4 is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And don't forget to check out the product links in the description for more details. See you in the next video.